Cleanliness refers to the state or quality of being clean or being kept clean. Cleanliness gives rise to a good character by keeping body, mind, and soul clean and peaceful. Maintaining cleanliness is an essential part of our healthy living because it is cleanliness only which helps us to improve our personality by keeping clean externally and internally. Sanitization and neatness do play an important role in our day-to-day routine. It is important as it prevents us from dangerous disease. Trash also spreads bad odor. There will be a lot of accumulation of trash and dirt if clean measures aren't taken. Our government is putting in a lot of effort to clean our country, especially through the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Mr. Jimmy says, today we will learn about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Mr. Job was eating a banana. After he ate the banana, when he was about to throw the banana peel, Mr. Jimmy arrived and said, do not throw the peel here, buddy. Always use dustbin. People produce a huge amount of waste every day. Mr. Job throws the peel into dustbin. Jimmy appreciates Job and says there are many waste like empty cartons, kitchen waste, and so many expendable substances like used skins, plastic bags, and surgical dressings. Many of these substances like fruit and vegetables can be easily broken down by the activity of decomposers and bacteria and are known as biodegradable substances. Other substances like glass, plastics, metallic cans, medical waste, batteries, and pesticides, which cannot be broken down easily by biological processes, are called non-biodegradable substances. Let's learn about the biodegradable waste first. A biodegradable material can be defined as substances which can be decomposed by microorganisms or decomposers or not be added into pollution. These substances can be degraded by natural factors like bacteria, fungi, and abiotic elements like temperature. The whole process is natural, which can be slow or rapid depending upon the object. Therefore, the environmental risk and issues caused by biodegradable waste are low. Biodegradable waste are paper waste, dead plants, wood, etc. Now let's speak about the non-biodegradable waste. Waste that cannot be decomposed by the biological waste is called as non-biodegradable waste. Most of the inorganic waste like aluminum cans, glasses, and plastics are non-biodegradable waste. This can be further classified into recyclable and non-recyclable waste. Here the process of recycling the waste. At first, recycling takes place, then analysis, collection, transportation, and recovery. Non-biodegradable waste such as cardboards, metals, and some grocery bags can be recycled and is called the recyclable waste. Some waste like fiberglass, kitchenware, auto parts which cannot be recycled are called the non-recyclable waste. Since non-recyclable waste are non-environmentally friendly, they need to be substituted.
Hello, do you know who is this? This is the planet Earth, the very planet Earth we live on. There are three words which start with the letter R, which will help us to manage waste, reduce, reuse, and recycle. So, any guesses as to what we are going to speak today? Yes, and that's waste management. These three R's are almost magical words. I said they are almost magical. Do you know why is it so? It is because without your help, it won't be possible. They all need you children in order to do the trick. So each and every one of you are the real 3R magicians. Those three words which can manage the world. Do you want to know how? So let's find out. The first R is for reduce. If you think about if there are many things you don't need when you go to the supermarket, I'm sure you can take your own carry bags instead of using disposable ones given to you. Like that, you'll be reducing the amount of plastic which is very contaminating, and I'm sure you don't need to print out so many documents or photos or leave lights of television or computers on when you are using them. If you remember this, you will be reducing the amount of paper being used as well as energy, and in turn will be helping to reduce the contamination. And these are just a few examples. I'm sure you can think of many more different ways to reduce what you are using. The following question will help you with this task. Do I really need this, or is this just a whim? The second R is for recycle. Now, it is easier than ever to recycle things we don't need anymore so that they can be reused. Near your home, you can find places like dustbins, containers for cans, where you can put items to be recycled like plastic, paper, or organic waste. They each have specific colors to make it easier to identify. By using them, you will avoid contaminating in nature, rivers, seas, as well as the atmosphere, which is the air we breathe. And finally, we have the third R, which refers to reuse. How many things do you think we can reuse again and again instead of throwing them away? Let's see a piece of paper that has only one side printed on it, a carton box, a plastic bottle. You think, now, with just a little bit of imagination, I'm sure you can come up with many more exciting and fun uses for them. And remember, if you apply the 3 R's rule, you will make our planet Earth much cleaner, where there is less contamination, and we can all enjoy a better life. Because, as you know, children can make a world of difference.